Hey everyone, the BenQ LU895UST arrives as a specialist ultra-short-throw projector designed for environments where immersive visuals, tight installation spaces, and dependable brightness are essential. It is targeted squarely at commercial and educational settings, but its performance profile also makes it attractive for museums, simulation rooms, themed attractions, and any venue that needs large, distortion-free imagery from a very short distance. With this model, BenQ is pushing compact laser projection to a new level of practicality and visual quality. At the heart of the LU895UST is a laser light engine paired with a WUXGA 1920x1200 resolution DLP system. The use of a laser source is significant for two reasons: long-term reliability and consistent brightness. BenQ claims up to 5,000 lumens. The image sharpness remains stable across the entire frame, and the laser's longevity ensures lower maintenance over years of continuous operation. What makes the LU895UST especially compelling is its incredibly short throw ratio of 0.253 to 1. With such an aggressive ultra-short throw design, the projector can create an image up to 200 inches wide while sitting just inches from the projection surface. This reduces shadows, simplifies installation, and makes it ideal for tight or high-traffic spaces where traditional projectors would be impractical. BenQ markets the LU895UST as the smallest ultra-short-throw projector in its class, and its compact dimensions, 327 by 328.3 by 131.6 millimeters, underline just how easy it is to integrate into unconventional layouts. Image quality receives attention beyond raw brightness. The projector covers 93% of the Rec. 709 color gamut, offering natural and accurate tones for content that requires realism, such as simulation training or immersive digital art. A FOFO contrast ratio of 3 million to 1 enhances perceived depth, especially in scenes with mixed bright and dark details. Multiple picture modes, including simulation, HDR10, and sRGB, allow operators to tune the output to match different content types or calibration needs. This level of flexibility is a major advantage for venues that might cycle between presentations, interactive demos, and atmospheric visual storytelling. BenQ also designed the LU895UST with installation and alignment in mind. It is advertised as blending ready, meaning it can be used in multi-projector setups where edge blending creates a seamless, panoramic image. Features like 2D keystone correction assist in fine-tuning geometry, which is crucial in professional installations, where projection surfaces may not be perfectly aligned. Connectivity options cover the essential bases, offering two HDMI 2.0B ports with HDCP 2.2 support, an RJ45 Ethernet port for control and monitoring, and a USB-A port for media or power. These ports ensure compatibility with modern sources and centralized management systems. The built-in 10-watt speaker is serviceable for basic audio needs, though most commercial environments will pair the projector with a more capable external sound system. With a European retail price of €3,999, the LU895UST positions itself as a high-end tool meant for professional installations rather than consumer home theaters. Overall, the BenQ LU895UST blends strong engineering with thoughtful design to deliver a projector made for demanding environments. Its laser light source, extremely short throw distance, wide color coverage, and versatile installation options allow it to perform in spaces where few other projectors can. For commercial operators looking to create immersive visuals or precise simulation experiences, it represents a highly capable and forward-thinking choice. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.